Parents, how to teach the letter sounds to your toddlers. If you're going to teach the letter sounds, it's a good idea to make sure you teach them correctly, because up the road, the transition to blending letters and sounds is going to be so much easier. And some letters have multiple sounds, but right now we're just teaching one sound per letter. Ah, ah, eh, eh, I, ah, ah, b, b, d, d, g, g, j, j, uh, mm, 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 r, s, s, t, t, v, v, w, w, x, x, y, y, z, z. Let's do the vowels again. Ah, ah, I, ah, Have your child watch this video every day as many times as they want to, until when you ask them the sound, they can just answer you right away. Follow for more teaching tips.